Morning everyone, just breakfast time. The last campsite potentially for September. See, we've got bacon on the go, pancakes. Let's have a little walk round. Set up as usual. Got a new box, you can see. Added addition. Packed up in the back. Keeping it simple this time, just leaving everything in boxes on the back of the van. More relaxing. And then a nice cool van. Again, keep going on about it with the beach, but it's just nice and simple. And you can see plenty of space. Roof's up. Probably a good idea to open this up. Ta-da! Beautiful day today, as you probably know, those of you in the UK. We've got a bit of a sunshine. That's it. I just want to quickly show you how we're set up. Nice and simple. And it does us. Right, thank you for watching. Bye.